What's up, guys? It's me, Trav, and I am back with another video. I am cooking some bacon right now. Soon I'll get the eggs on with the cheese. And we're gonna have ourselves either a little sandwich, bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, or we're gonna just do it like plain and stuff like that. Right now the bacon is actually cooking. Alright, the bacon looks done, so we're gonna actually take it out of the pan. Done. Okay, so we just cracked the eggs open. I got 3 eggs inside the bowl. So we're gonna actually put some salt and pepper on there. This. Of salt. So now we're gonna use this right here and put it in the pan. So we got our butter knife and we're gonna actually just scoop some out. I'm just scoop some out. I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. So we got that. Just stir it around. Make sure this pan has lots of butter around it. All right, so now we're gonna actually pour this in here. That cooked for a little while. The eggs look like it's ready to be pushed a little bit, so we're gonna actually do this.